So, when are you going to clean up your room?
Oh my gosh!
What's so...
Mommy!
What? Are you so excited? Okay, go get it! Why are you so excited? Are you crying?
Yeah.
Are you crying? You deserve it, honey, but you have to be a little bit better. What happened, mamas? Why are you crying because you don't deserve it? I do. Give her a kiss. She's so happy.
Did you buy it?
Yes, it's your early Christmas present.
Don't bite me. Can I carry it?
Yeah, give her a kiss. Aww. Wait, get back. Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're going to say you love us or something?
I love you, Daddy.
What about me?
I love you too, Mommy.